In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate button in Webflow. We'll set up a clean professional hover animation using Webflow's Interactions panel, so your button feels responsive and engaging without adding any code. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the page where your button lives and that you're looking at the canvas view. If you can't immediately find the element, the Navigator panel is a handy way to select the exact button you want to animate. Click directly on the button to select it. You should see its blue outline on the canvas. If you plan to reuse this animation across multiple buttons, consider giving the button a clear class name first. That makes it easier to apply the same interaction to other elements later. Next, head to the Interactions panel, which is the lightning bolt icon on the right side of the designer. This is where all element-based animations are created and managed. With your button still selected, you'll be creating an interaction that targets this element. In the Interactions panel, look for Element Trigger and click the plus icon to add a new trigger. This tells Webflow what user action should start the animation. For buttons, hover is the most common because it gives instant feedback when someone moves their cursor over the element. From the list of trigger types, choose mouse hover, or pick another trigger if you have a specific behavior in mind. Hover is great for subtle effects like a slight scale, a color shift, or a soft shadow that communicates interactivity. You'll now see options for on hover and on hover out. Click select an action for each state. On hover is what happens when the cursor enters the button, and on hover out is how it returns to normal. Think of them as the forward and reverse of your effect, keeping the animation smooth both ways. Choose the action you want to run. This is where you define the behavior. For example, a gentle scale up with an ease, or a quick background change with a short duration. Keep it subtle so the button feels polished rather than distracting, and mirror the timing on hover out for a seamless reset. Finally, click Preview to test the interaction. Move your cursor over the button and off again to see both states. If anything feels too fast, too slow, or too strong, tweak the timing or effect until it matches your brand's style. And that's it. Your Webflow button now has a clean professional hover animation.